Right here we have the Mini MadBeast. These are 1/18 scale size trucks, perfect for indoor driving, indoor fun, or even outdoor fun. They do come ready to run right out the box. This is the Mini MadBeast truck. You'll notice it is fully customizable. You have your micro 9-gram servo here. You have a brushed motor here, and you have your 2-in-1 ESC and speed controller right there. It does come with a JST connector that is very common for these size trucks. Take a look at the chassis and the drivetrain. The chassis, you'll notice it's very thick plastic that prevents flexing. That's good, so that keeps your gear meshed, especially your motor and spur gear mesh. On the front and rear of the Mini Beast, you're gonna find independent suspension. You're also gonna find coil sprung shocks and springs. This keeps the suspension active and it keeps the tires in contact with the ground, especially when you're running over uneven terrain. If you take a closer look, you'll notice that there's no bushings on this MadBeast. This is fully equipped with ball bearings on the hubs and on the differential side. It keeps things rolling smoothly and keeps friction at a minimum and keeps the whole drivetrain running very efficiently. Let's take a closer look at the drivetrain. You're going to notice that this is a full-time shaft-driven 4-wheel drive system. You'll see the main shaft running down the center of the truck. You'll notice that there's thick dog bones running from the geared differentials out to the front and rear wheels, providing power to all 4 wheels. Maintaining that power to the ground are large, wide, knobby tires mounted on plastic rims. These tires are also very sticky. That gives you great traction on smooth surfaces, whether you're running on, say, a laminate wood floor or on outside on pavement or the asphalt. On the front of the truck, you're going to find a flexible but yet strong front bumper, and that'll prevent you from damaging your steering mechanisms or any other parts of your suspension system when you ram it into a curb or, say, a wall. It is a hobby grade truck. You can upgrade the servo, the motor, the speed controller. You can pretty much customize anything and make it super fast. It's also very fun to drive out the box without any upgrades. It definitely lives up to the MadBeast name. If you want more detailed specs and pictures, head on over to nitrorcx.com. The link is below. Be sure to subscribe to us if you want to stay tuned for our latest and newest products. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you guys later.